Cisco instructor Andrea here, and I wanted to cover a little bit about Module 1 because if you've read, you'll see that we are not covering that in class together. And the main reason is because most of Module 1 is a recap or a review from RCNT 140. I do want to draw your attention and tell you about some things that I really want you to concentrate on in Module 1. So first of all, configure a switch with the initial settings. These are things like the enable secret password, being able to go from privileged executive mode into global configuration mode. Also the switch boot sequence, again, a review. Let's see. It's super important that you know how to configure an SVI. Remember, that's the switch virtual interface, which allows us to remotely manage a switch. You are required to do the lab. You'll be doing that in Packet Tracer since we're actually meeting online. Duplex, remember, I want you to review what AutoMDIX is. The switch verification commands, these are various show commands. Troubleshooting, syntax, secure remote access. Okay, securing remote access. Again, this is using SSH and knowing how to set up SSH. You want to make sure by the end of 150 you know how to do SSH. Basic router configuration. Again, this is setting an IP address, also putting your service password encryption, your banner message. You want to make sure that you've got a description on all your interfaces. So again, just a review here, configuring interfaces. Let's see, Packet Tracer, verifying directly connected networks. Again, this is using the show IP route command. Review, verifying routes, review. Now the filter command, this is something new that I do not believe we covered in 140. So make sure you review this and you read this and you know how to use the filter command. Also, the history feature. This is super handy, and when you're working in the real world, you'll be using it often. So review this and make sure you know how to use it. Okay, so those are the things that are a little bit different from what we've done before. Okay, again, show history. So make sure you do go through Module 1. Those are the key points that I want you to make sure you know how to do.